Magandang
The first
hapon
value
mga
we'll fill
idol.
out is the type. So DNS records
May
can
nagpagawa
link
sa atin ng
different types of information to a
Denon
domain.
DNS
To link an IP
3500.
address, we're going to use an
Ang
A
DJ
record.
ito mga idol.
Next,
So,
we're going to set the TTL.
Kaya lang natin
So
gumawa.
TTL stands
Hindi
for
tayo
time to
marunong
link. This basically says that if we change our DNS records, how
mag-testing
long
mga
will it take
idol,
to update across
gumamit.
the
So,
internet? A short
try lang natin
TTL
gawin.
means
Kasi
the
nasa
DNS
cross
changes
sa
will be updated very quickly.
220. Sa
A long
US kasi
TTL
mga idol,
means that it will
120
be
volts yan.
updated more slowly.
Ayos ha.
Long TTLs are a little bit more efficient, but
Original
for
na
this
ano
example,
Denon.
we're going to select 5 minutes. Now, if your domain registrar doesn't have a drop-down like this,
Denon.
you're going to enter the
Denon
value
ba?
300, which is
So,
300
pinagawa
seconds
sa atin
or
mga
5
idol,
minutes.
naisaksak sa
And now we have 2
220.
values remaining.
Ulit-ulit na
Si
naman
Bagyo,
eh.
The first one here.
natanggal ko eh.
This is called the subdomain. A
So,
subdomain
ito yung
is basically the part of a URL in
DNS
front
ng
of a
idol.
domain name.
Dito yung
This is
nahawakan niya.
useful if you want to have
Ayos,
multiple
ha?
websites under the same base domain name. For example, youtube.com is
Buksan natin.
used for
So,
watching
tinanggal
videos,
ko na yung mga
and
screw.
then studio.youtube.com
Dito pala to.
is a separate
Sarap.
website for
May
managing
CD
your
dito mga
channel.
idol sa loob.
In our example, we don't really want a subdomain,
Dito
so
na
we're
may,
going to leave
may
this
sariling
as
CD.
blank.
Kaso nandun CD sa loob, hindi na tinanggal mga
To
idol.
leave it as blank, we have
Kasi
to
nga,
type
wala ng power. So,
But for
binuksan
other
natin.
domain registrars, you can probably leave it as blank.
Uy.
Now, the last value that we have to give it is the IP address that we want to link to this domain name.
Ito yung laman yan.
Recall that we want to
Sakit
link our
sa-
domain name to the IP
sakit
address
dalawa.
of GitHub Pages. So first of all, how do we find GitHub Pages IP address? To do that, we're going to go to a new tab,
Yan. So, ito yan.
and we're going to search
Galing ha.
DNS.
Ito yung board niya. So, ito yung pinaka-motherboard. Marami na tayong ginawa pang
And then we're
DJ.
going to scroll
Minsan,
down
no
and
mark.
go to this website.
O kaya Pioneer. So,
So
meron
this
din
will
sila.
allow us to
Ito
search
naman
for the
Denon.
domain name
Ayos ha.
Sabi ko sa may-ari,
addresses are currently linked to it. So
Nagawa
here,
naman yan.
we're going to type in our GitHub username. So for me, that's super
Kaya lang, nung nakaraan, may ginawa kaming
dash
isang
tester
Denon.
1.
naisaksak ko
And
na sa
then we're gonna
220.
type
Sumabog
GitHub
pati yung
audio.
chopper. So, ito mga idol,
So
power
if you
supply
recall,
lang to.
This is the domain that
regulator
GitHub
IC.
Pages gives us
Okay.
by default for our website. So now I'm going to click
Oh,
here,
bilabo lang
for
IC
DNS
na
lookup,
ito.
O talaga tol.
and it's going to show me the IP addresses
Regulator
that are
IC
associated
TOP
with
247Y.
GitHub Pages. So what we need to do
TOP
is to take these IP
247YN.
addresses
So, magagawa to mga idol, may pag-asa pa to. Ito pala yung
So
CD
let's
niya.
go
No?
through the first one together.
So, may laman pa nga palang
So I'm
CD.
going to click this IP address,
Ayos ha.
and then I'm going to copy it,
Yan. So, binan mo natin ang IC mga idol.
and I'm going to paste it in this DNS records table. Just paste
Sabi
it
ng
here,
may-ari,
and then
kung
I'm going to
maaari
click
daw,
done.
convert ko na sa 220. Pwede may convert sa 220 kasi may
And now our first DNS record has been created. Don't worry if the other records disappear. We'll leave DNS records for the other 3 IP
Oo, may
addresses that we
space.
see here.
Pwede.
O
So feel
talaga
free to pause the
tol.
video and do it yourself.
Dito natin ilagay yung transformer
Otherwise, I'm
mga
going to
idol.
fast forward and
Okay.
we can move on to the next step.
Prepare muna natin. Both available IC nito
Once
mga
we're
idol.
finished, we should have some DNS
Yeah,
records
boy.
that link to the IP address.
Saksak sa 220. Siguro nagmadali. Dumating, nagmadali tinesting. Pumutok mga idol.
Oh no!
So yun yung power
The
supply.
addresses of
Yung
GitHub
chopper.
pages.
Yung ginawa namin
The
dating
last thing we need to
ano,
do here is to set up a
Denon
particular
din.
subdomain
Sabog
called
pati itong chopper. Awan ko lang
www.
kung
Now,
Ano, mga
technically,
idol,
this
baka
is not
nadamay
actually
na rin ito.
necessary, and what we have here will still work, but this is recommended by GitHub Pages. There are also some technical reasons for setting up the www subdomain, but they're too
Tingnan
advanced
natin
for
ang
this
IC
video,
mga
so
idol.
I'll leave a link in the description if you want to read more.
o nga. Sorted nga ito
To
mga
set up
idol.
the www subdomain, we're going to go and
TOP
create a new record,
247YN.
and this time instead of
wait
selecting
lang
an
mga
A
idol.
record, we're going to scroll
Tingnan
down
natin ang
and
IC.
select the CNAME record.
20 minutes later.
And then on Bootcamp,
So, yun mga
that will
idol.
save you the most time. Now remember, the second thing that a bootcamp does for you is that
May
after
tayo
you
ng
go through the
IC.
bootcamp, you're going to have a portfolio of projects that you can show when you're applying to jobs. Now, when you're
Kaya
seeing
regulator IC
self-taught,
mga idol eh.
you have to create this portfolio yourself. So I have a
Tapos,
suggestion
bumili na rin
of
ako ng
3 projects
transformer,
to put
convert
in
ko
your
na lang sa
portfolio. You can put more if
220
you want, but
para
I
hindi na
would
siya
suggest putting,
magkamali.
these 3 projects.
Okay.
The first project is to have a personal
Kaya lang,
website. So this is just
buti
some
ka ang malaki
information
space
about
nito mga
yourself,
idol
your
eh.
skills.
So, mayroon tayong
Basically,
pwedeng
that's an online
pagpwestuhan.
resume, and it's just going to teach you to create a website that looks nice, and it's going to teach you how the internet works, so how to put a website on the internet. Now, the second project that I would suggest is to have a project where you can log into an account and then do something with the account.
Ay, iba na
Think
yun.
about this like making an Instagram clone or a smaller version of Instagram where you can log into an account and then you can upload pictures to the account. Or maybe a YouTube clone where you can log in and upload videos to your account. So most of the companies that you're going to be applying for,
Ayos, ha?
they usually have an app or software where you log into your account and then you do something in your account. So it's important to have a project
Yan,
where the project does the
Kami
same
tayo
thing,
transformer.
just a smaller version
Kung patayo natin,
of the actual
di makapal eh.
so the third project that I
Mataas.
recommend is to
Mabang
have a
doon sa
project
ano, kaya
where you're
pinahiga
using
na lang
external
natin.
APIs. So incorporate Google
Para
Maps into
maganda
your
tingnan.
project. Maybe like
Galing, ha?
May nabibili naman eh.
or you're using more
221
advanced features like
Gamit
WhatsApp
natin,
Kids
testing
and you're
natin
doing
mga
some
idol.
sort of real-time
Medyo mabilis lang yung video natin
so
mga
those are the
idol.
three projects I recommend having a portfolio. They're going to show that you have a wide range of skills, and these skills are bootcamp. So bootcamp is going to prepare everything that you need to know, and then 2 things that you need in your self-taught. My name is Simon from
fix lang natin
Futuresimple.dev.
mga idol.
I want to make a tech career possible.
A few moments later.
So yan. Inayos lang natin yung mga wiring.
Galing, ha?
May transformer na. Tsaka CD. Pag i-on yan, dapat ikot agad yan. May CD na pala to eh.
Oo nga, no.
Carpenters. Kaya pala makaluma pala may-ari na ito eh.
Mga mo!
73 years old, nagdi-DJ pa. Marami siguro siyang CD ganito. Kaya pala eh. Ganun talaga pag marami kang gano'n. Hanapan mo ng paraan para magamit.
Yeah, boy.
Mga gano'n, mga old school. Marami na kasing lumalabas na ganito eh. Marami na akong ginawa pang DJ eh. So,
Humihina na ang
ito din yung may-ari mga
kung
idol.
walang tamang alam.
Kaya medyo minadali lang natin yung... Kaya minadali na lang natin yung video.
Ay, iba na yun.
Aga, maaaring makaranas ng high blood pressure, sugar, pati paghina
Oo.
ng memorya. Mag-doctor prescribe.
Testing natin.
Yeah, boy.
Ba't natin yung mga sakit. So, magkaroon tayo ng content. So, uy, baka madali yung ano.
Centrum Silver Advance.
Ingatan
May
lang natin,
maraming
baka madali
active
yung
nutrients
CD.
na in-adjust ang level for your age. Like lycopene to help protect your heart. Potassium, tumutulong sa normal blood pressure. Chromium, tumutulong sa normal blood sugar. Napatunayan din tumutulong ma-improve ang habang nagkakaedad. Silver Advance. This is Pex for Centrum.
Ingatan lang natin mga idol pag salpak ng mga sakit. Kasi
Welcome to the complete JavaScript course.
baka masira ang
In
busalsa
this
naman.
course, we're going to learn how to build step by step. We're going to learn the major features of JavaScript and also
220.
how to use JavaScript
Power
together with other
Yeah,
technologies
boy.
like HTML and CSS. We're also going to learn more advanced features
So,
like object-oriented programming, backend, callbacks, promises, and async await. And we'll use these features to gather exercises that you can do on your own
Ayos,
to
ha?
practice the skills that we learned. In total, this course will have over 250 exercises.
tapos,
So with that said,
Power.
let's get started. If something in this course is not working properly, make sure to check the
Yan.
first comment below are the same if you're using a MetWay app step by step. First of all, what is JavaScript?
ano mga idol?
JavaScript is a
Mayabang na naman yan.
to create websites. The
Hey.
website is like YouTube.com or Amazon.com. It's how we access YouTube and Amazon on our computer.
Ginagawa
If we were using a phone, we usually use an app. But on our computer, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Each of these technologies has a specific purpose when creating a website. HTML creates
Oh,
the
yan, ah.
content of a website. It creates text, and images. CSS traces the elements of the website. By adding CSS, we can make a website look
Hindi tayo marunong.
Ginagawa mo.
So if we only have
Ay, nabibili kasi ano to,
HTML
CD na ano?
and CSS, and we click one of these buttons, our website will do
Ay, iba kayo.
JavaScript, we can make our website do something where we click a button, such as
Scratch
so
mix.
this course,
Ang galing mo talaga, bright ka.
if you want to learn HTML and CSS in more detail,
Ay,
I have
bunot.
a full course just like this one that you
Yung
can
bunot.
find in the video description. Let's get started with
Ano?
JavaScript. The first thing we need to do is to install a piece of software called a web browser. The most
Hey!
popular web browser for web development is Google Chrome,
Boss.
so I recommend using that. If you don't have Google Chrome, you can open the default web browser on your computer. For Windows, it's Microsoft.
I'm Spotify!
Type in google.com.
You're thinking I could never live without you by my side. But then
Baka makapirit naman tayo.
Click the result. Follow the instructions to download and install. Once we've installed Chrome, we're ready for the end. We're going to start by learning what exactly is JavaScript. The easiest way to install JavaScript are
Sige
instructions.
na. Ano ito mga ito? Kaya lang. Baka makapiright tayo.
So first,
Oo nga.
let's
So,
open
nakagawa tayo ng Denon mixer ulit.
next.
Ano?
We're going
DG
to
mix.
click at the top
Denon
right,
DG. Ganyan yun.
Basic.
Kasi nila tayo marunong mga idol. Magamit, pero mag-repair pwede pa.
Boy! Ginagawa mo.
Ganun lang yan, mga idol. So,
Like this.
gawa na. Nandiyan ang
You
mayari.
can click these
Video na
three
lang.
dots here
Magaling ka eh.
and then select this button. Inside the
Baka makapiright
we
tayo.
can give some instructions for our computer.
Many minutes later.
Enter.
Nagre-repair tayo neto.
It will give us
Kaya lang, hindi
a
lang tayo
syntax
marunong
error.
mag
We're not following the rules of syntax.
master
The
scratch
computer
mix.
doesn't understand this code.
So, yan oh.
JavaScript has a
Power
lot
na,
of
walang
syntax
power
rules,
to eh. So,
and we
mag-play yan,
can't learn
CD.
them all at once right now.
Tapos may
Instead,
CD yan.
we're going to
Play.
learn these syntax rules one by one as we go through the course. For now, we'll just learn the syntax at the end of this class. Is the text inside the text. Change the text. Change the text.
Ulit-ulit na naman eh.
Change the text between the quotes. Use the text that appears on the page.
Paano ba
We
gamitin?
need to know about syntax. So in this
Scratch mix.
we learn
Magaling ang tsamba mo, malakas eh.
instructions to the computer. We wrote our first
Ha? Ano to yan?
Ngayon may kayabangan to.
You can check out the premium version of my course.
Scratch mix.
Ginagawa mo.
Tama,
Try on
pag
your
cue.
own. This is what we learned from this.
Yung mga pinasabay, may pinapasok na ito eh. Ibang audio eh.
Understand the basics of JavaScript.
File search mode.
About each feature of the language.
B3 man.
In this lesson,
Gamitin natin ito mga idol.
Ayos ha.
We can see
Stereo? Ilan?
in our cart, modify our
Alam
cart,
mo, isang piraso. Isa lang, isa mo ko nag-DJ mix ako eh.
focus on this blank section, which
William Breck.
calculates the cost of our
DJ mix in the house!
and taxes. This section
Kinakapa ko mo paano gamitin eh.
Sige na, ang tagal mo.
so we already saw some examples.
Ulit-ulit na naman eh.
Hindi lang natin lang gamitin mga idol.
Multiply. To
Nakagawa tayo ulit.
we're gonna type
Diba?
Magaling ka eh.
/2.
Hindi lang tayo marunong gumamit.
Enter. Now let's learn the syntax rules and just write it out like normal. We're gonna have to do that with more than 2 numbers. For example, we're getting 2 cents of shipping and nothing else in your account. If you need to, you can modify the cart by clicking update or delete, or by going to the home page by clicking in the top left
But then I
and adding any products
Oh,
that
may
you're
elapsed
missing.
time pa.
Once you have the same products as me in your cart, numbers on the right, we're
Ay,
gonna
makanta naman.
let's start, and then we're gonna add so $20. We'll do this calculation and give us this number.
Ang galing mo talaga, bright ka.